Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the derivation part of Michelson-Morley experiment. In the previous session, we had discussed about the absolute frame of reference, that is ether hypothesis. So in this experiment, here consider monochromatic source of light. It is split into two beams by using a half silvered plate, that is P. One of the beam travels to mirror M1 and another beam that is reflected by M2 and also M1 through telescope T. Here the beam reflected upwards to mirror M2 passes through P, and whereas M1 passes through P. Initially the mirrors M1 and M2 are set such that PM1 equals PM1 equals PM2 equals D. From Galilean transformation, the velocity of light traveling from P to M1 equals C minus V. Similarly, velocity of light traveling back from M1 to P, that is given by C minus V equals C plus V. Then write total time taken by the light to travel P to M1. Then write T1 equals D by C minus V plus D by C plus V. Equate this expression, we get 2C divided by C square minus V square. Then 2D by, take C as common factor, 1 minus V square by C square. Then finally 2D by C, 1 minus V square by C square power minus 1, and 2D by C into 1 plus V square by C square. Similarly for T2, this one is T1. Right, in case of T2 equals 2D by C into 1 plus V square by 2C square. Then take difference, T1 minus T2 equals 2D by C 1 plus V square by C square minus 1 plus V square by 2C square. Finally we get, that is dV square by C cube. Then the path difference between two beams, that is dou equals C into T1 minus T2. This can be written as dV square by C square. Then write the path difference which produces a fringe width, that is lambda n equals dou. Then write n lambda equals dV square by C square. Then n equals dv square divided by c square lambda. In their experiment, Michelson and Morley rotate the angle of 90 degree. Then therefore the total shift in the fringes will be twice the above value, that is n equals 2d square divided by c square lambda. See, this is the expression. Here we can find out the number of fringes using the help of Michelson-Morley experiment.